Welcome to Peptide-proof, your source for rigorous, independent, evidence-based peptide intelligence. Today, we're looking at Kiehl's CollaShot and GLP-1 skin changes. You've probably heard the term making the rounds lately, Ozempic face. It's basically a very specific byproduct of the massive surge in GLP-1 weight loss medications. You see, when a patient drops weight rapidly, their face doesn't just lose fat. It goes through this synchronized loss of both facial fat and collagen. The result? Pretty noticeable cheek hollowing and sagging. What's fascinating here is that with the launch of Kiehl's 1cc CollaShot, we are actually seeing this medical phenomenon brought directly to mainstream skincare counters as a targeted concern.
Kiehl's is framing their solution in a pretty interesting way. They're explicitly calling the serum a procedure-inspired product, and there's a good reason for that. Your cheeks are hands down the most vulnerable area on your face when it comes to rapid volume loss. To back this up, they highlight a point from dermatologist Dr. Jane Yu, who notes that collagen is the core structural protein of the dermis. It's what directly determines the firmness and structural support of your cheeks. Basically, Kiehl's is trying to answer the exact question so many GLP-1 users are asking themselves right now. Wait, do I need to go get dermal fillers? So let's break down the formula and see how it builds a defense against that specific volume loss. The engine running this whole thing is their recombinant collagen peptides. These use a superlipid encapsulation delivery system, which is specifically designed to push those peptides up to 10 layers deep into your skin. You'll also notice the serum has a very distinct pink hue. No synthetic dyes here. That color comes completely naturally from the vitamin B12 in the formula. They've also thrown in some rhamnose for soothing barrier support, and at a price point of $55 to $78 for 30 or 50 milliliters, it's definitely positioned as an accessible yet premium treatment.
Beyond the headlines.
Into the research. Peptide-proof.
But of course, we have to look at the data behind the claims, right? Kiehl's reported a very specific metric for this exact demographic. They state that GLP-1 users saw a 22% improvement in the appearance of cheek sagging after 12 weeks of continuous use. Now, let's contextualize this carefully. This number is drawn from a brand-commissioned consumer perception study that focused on visible appearance. It's not a rigorous double-blind clinical trial. So while it's a really useful data point for gauging how people feel their skin looks, we shouldn't equate it with pharmaceutical-grade evidence. And that brings us to a fundamental biological reality check. We need to be crystal clear about the difference between what you rub onto your skin and what a doctor injects into it. Topical collagen peptides, like the ones in CollaShot, act as molecular signals. They're essentially sending text messages to your skin cells, encouraging them to synthesize new collagen over time. Dermal fillers, on the other hand, are physical injectables. They instantly replace lost volume and physically alter your facial structure. Because topical peptides are just signals and not physical fillers, they literally cannot reverse the severe facial contour changes caused by rapid fat loss. If you're currently navigating rapid weight loss, formulation experts completely agree that you need a realistic, grounded routine rather than crossing your fingers for a miraculous overnight lift. A proper GLP-1 skincare routine absolutely has to prioritize 3 foundational steps. First up, intense moisturizing to keep the skin deeply hydrated. Second, barrier repair to ensure your skin stays resilient. And third, utilizing signal peptides to help maintain your skin's natural collagen synthesis rhythm. It's really all about supporting your skin's underlying architecture while your body goes through these massive changes. So here is our grounded verdict. If you're using GLP-1 medications or going through rapid weight loss, adding a collagen signal peptide serum to your routine is a highly logical step. You should absolutely use CollaShot with the expectation that it'll improve your skin's overall texture and help delay any further structural loss. Just don't expect it to magically restore your pre-weight loss facial contours. That's all for this episode. Like and comment to receive materials from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.